Hey, what are you guys talking about?
We are discussing Sophia's show on TV last night.
What is that show about?
It's a talk show by MC Sophia. She'll interview and share opinions with a special guest. Yup, and last night, Sophia and her guests shared their views about peer pressure.
Sounds interesting. I've never watched a talk show before.
We highly recommend you watch Sophia's show.
I'll try. Last night I watched a football match between Liverpool and AC Milan. Wait, it was on TV yesterday? Ugh, I missed the match. What was the score? It was a 0-0 draw. Wow, is that so? Yeah, it was kind of dull to me.
Did you guys watch any cartoons on TV last night?
Yeah, I watched The Amazing World of Gumball. I've heard it was really funny. That's right. It's on Cartoon Network channel at 7 p.m. every Tuesday. I'll try that cartoon tonight. The Mud. Ew! What is this? Why is there mud on the carpet? Did anyone bring a dirty pet and let it run around the room? I don't know. Let's ask other people. Hey, Tony, do you know about the mud? Where? Over there. Oh, I'm sorry. It's mine. Oh, come on. How could you bring mud into our room? Well, probably it was on my shoes. Why did you wear shoes and step on the carpet? This morning, I was about to go outside. I already wore my shoes and locked the door, but I forgot my phone. So I just didn't take off my shoes and stepped on the carpet in a hurry. I don't know what to say, Tony. Oh, don't worry, Tim. I will wash our carpet. You'd better do it now, my friend. Okay.
Mother's Day. Do you remember Mother's Day is this Sunday? What? Really? I totally forgot about it. It's okay. We still have 2 days to do something for Mom. What do you think? Let's see. Last year, we gave her our handmade cards and a bouquet. I think we should do something new this year. How about doing chores before she wakes up? But she wakes up very early. So, let's make a cake for her? It sounds like we're prepping for her birthday.
But it's a good idea, isn't it?
I agree. Let's search Google and find a cake we can make.
Should we buy something else?
I don't think so. Mom will say that we're wasting our money.
Okay.
At least we should draw a picture of our mom as a gift. Hey, I love that idea. Let's do it. Being busy. Phew, let's call it a day.
Ugh, I'm so exhausted with the housework today.
Would you like some lemonade?
Yes, please.
Good evening, children.
Good evening, Mom.
You look tired. What's wrong?
Jane and I decided to clean the house today, Mom.
Such good children. I'm impressed. What did you guys do?
This morning, I was vacuuming the floor when Jane was feeding the dog. We also prepared lunch together. Then, in the afternoon, I watered the plants, and Jane did the laundry.
Hi, Mom. I made some lemonade for you and my brother. Thank you, Jane.
Why were you guys so hardworking today?
Because we know you're very busy every day, Mom. We want to do something for you.
That's so sweet, my children.
A puppy. Can I have a puppy, Mom?
I'm afraid no, Tom.
But why, Mom? Puppies are cute. They can make you happy every day.
But feeding a puppy is very expensive.
I can save up money for a puppy, Mom. I can give him my food.
No, you can't, Tom. Puppies will eat puppy food.
But I really want to have one, Mom. If I have a puppy, I promise to do homework and get high scores this semester.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, Mom. Trust me, please.
All right.
Really, Mom?
But I will give you a puppy only when you get an A+ this semester.
Okay, Mom. I'll try my best for a puppy. Mom! I got 2 A+ for math and English.
Good job, Tom. Let's go buy a puppy.
Hooray!